This is Michael Castaneda of Plastic Audio, and today we are doing an unboxing video of the ZHIYUN Crane M2 gimbal. This was very much an unexpected buy for me, so I know next to nothing about it. So it's pretty much just going to be an unboxing to show you what comes inside of it, and then after I'm going to open it up and actually put it together and do some shots, and I'll put those shots testing the different features at the very end of this. So without further ado, here we go. I got this on B&H. I believe it was $2.97 or somewhere around there. So the first thing that we get, I'll set this up like this. The first thing that we get is documentation, which I assume is just going to be instructions, nothing special. Service card, basic instructions, nothing exciting. Here is the box it comes in, which is a fairly nice foam box. And then when we open it up, here is what you get in the box. And then I'll take everything out and show you individually. So the first thing is going to be the mount. The quick plate release, and then this is for the cell phone holder. Good weight to it, super sturdy. You're going to get the USB cable to charge it, which I believe it's going to terminate in a C, USB-C. You get a strap. Fake leather strap. Still nice to have nonetheless. You're going to get a little tripod attachment for the bottom, which is very handy. You're going to get the screw for the quick release plate. And then you're going to get the actual gimbal itself. There's also a app that you can download. I think it's called ZHIYUN Play or something like that. That'll let you use all the functionality of the gimbal itself. So this is it. That's all you get. There's nothing else in there. So right after this, we're going to put this together. I'll do a little quick video of how to put it together, and then I'll do some functionality about how to use this. Follow Plastic Audio on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Plastic Audio, and look out for more videos soon. Thank you. So we just opened up the M2 crane M2, and we're going to put it together. This is going to be a very incomplete mounting and balancing tutorial, but it's going to be hopefully helpful. So we have the screw, we have the quick release plate, and then we have the I have an iPhone X with the cell phone mount. So the way that we're going to do it is there's two possible slots, or there's two possible holes to mount the cell phone bracket to the quick release plate to. We're going to use the one, this one right here. I don't know if that's the bottom or the top, but it's going to be the one closest to the actual side of the phone. So it's this one and not this top one. And the way we're going to mount it is we're going to mount it this way on actually the longest of the two slots. It's going to go like this. And after I put it in, after I screw it in, I'll show you. So it's going to be like this. Here's the bottom of the phone. Here's the back. And it's going to go right along this. And then this is going to slide into this right here, this quick release, there's going to be a little screw down here that you're going to use to loosen it, and there's a button that you're going to push in order to slide it in. And I've already kind of balanced it out. So after I slide it in, it should be somewhat balanced. So there's that. We're going to tighten this. And more or less, this is going to be it being balanced. So I might have to adjust this maybe a little bit more forward. Oh, that might make it worse. I think it has to go back. Yeah, there we go. There is a screw here to move this entire assembly up and down along this part. And then there's a screw here to move this whole thing along this. And between those three things, 1, 2, this plate being the third, that's how you balance it. Ideally, you want it about here. And I just had it there a second ago. If I move it forward, that's going to make it worse, correct? Yeah, that makes it worse. So we need to go back. There, that's a little bit better. So I moved it too much forward. Okay, so that's better. That's a little bit better. It's still going to take a little bit more of an adjustment. There's definitely a learning curve to balancing these gimbals. But that's it. After that, you're going to slide the power on. There we go. There's an app that you download. ZHIYUN is going to be the name. And after you download it and you connect it via Bluetooth/Wi-Fi, connecting now, it's searching for my device. We're going to connect. Great, we are connected. You're going to select smartphone. And then that's going to be what it looks like. And then from there, there's a button right here, M for menu, and you'll be able to select the different settings. And then you'll be able to control. Let's go using this joystick. I still don't even know what the settings are, but like this, I can now pan using the joystick. Obviously, you have to mess with the sensitivity. But at least we got it open, we got it mounted, we got it connected to the app. And now we're going to go walk around Pasadena and get some shots, and then I'll add the shots to this.
Yes, I mean, you can get in and out of it, but it's hard to get around.